folks, welcome to this new video. So we have explained before the idea of Rescaled Range Analysis and how we can use it to approach the financial markets. I would recommend watching this video later. So now we'll move to the trading view chart right here. Everyone know that on an uptrend, the market will move in this way. An impulse and then a pullback, and then another time we have an impulse. So our goal is to find from which level the price will reject right here. So when we go back to this area right here, when we have executed the long position, the reason was very easy. We need just to turn on the RS analysis indicator. The first thing that we can see right here is the green F, means a fractal. So right here we'll find range of a fractal, okay? The second confirmation that we'll look for is this green and the black levels, okay? If these two levels are on the right direction, we have the left direction right here and we have the right direction right here. So if they are on the right direction, this means this area is a geometric area, okay? So right here, our fractal will be this shape right here. When we take a copy for this movement, then I will always recommend taking the fractal out of the chart right here, and we'll try to understand our reference points. So right here we can see we have this check mark is self-similar to this check mark right here. So we have identified our reference points, and in this way we'll scale our fractal. So now from here I know that the price will not reject from 60% or 70%. The fractal give us this level right here, so the price will reject from this level right here, okay? And you know already that the price from there go on a strong push to the upside. Let's see another example on another assets on the financial markets. We have also another trade on the NASDAQ. It was on the 10-minute time frame. So of course fractal geometry works on every time frame and also on every asset on the financial markets. So before this strong push to the upside, how we catch this one? Right here, we'll turn on another time the RS analysis indicator. What we'll see that we have a green F, means a fractal. So right here, we have a range of a fractal in this area, okay? And then we can see that the black and the green line are on the right direction. So right here, we have a geometric shape, okay? So I don't need any more the indicator. I have located my fractal. And then what I will do, I will take a copy for this one, and then I will scale it. Once I scale it in this way, the high with the high, the low with the low, I can see that from here, the price will reject to go on this strong push to the upside in this way. Okay, and you can see right here, you have your take profit. Also, on the same asset on the 5-minute, we have also another trade right here. It was like 2 weeks ago. We have already explained this one, so we repeat it another time. How I would know that the price will go on a strong push to the upside from here. So when I turn on the indicator, I can see that after this push to the upside, I don't have any setup, okay? So what I will do, I can go to a lower time frame, maybe the 4-minute. I still don't have the valid setup, so I can go to a lower time frame. When I go to the 3-minute, right here, I can see that I have, first of all, the green F fractal. So there is a range of a fractal right here. And also another time, it's very easy. You don't need a lot of effort to do this and a lot of knowledge. It's very easy. So from here, we have the green and we have the black levels on the right direction. So this means this area is a geometric area. So right here, we don't need any more the indicator. We have located our fractal. This is the fractal. And from here, what we can see that we have this shape, push to the upside, and then this pullback, push to the upside, and then this pullback. And from here, we know that the price will go to reach a higher levels. And then also we can take a short position to target this low another time, okay? So that's it. You don't need a lot of hard work to do this. You just need to read and to understand the right setup right here. How you will get the RS analysis indicator? What you can do is you can go to our website. So right here, simplesfractals.com. What you will find right here, when you go to the downside, you will find the RS analysis indicator, 3 months for $500. Once you get the indicator, in less than 1 hour to 30 minutes, you will get the indicator on your TradingView account. If you have any question about the indicators, you can contact our support on Telegram. You will find all the links on the description.